All right, the lesson 118 and 119 are both converting first with English units of measure, which is what we use here, inches, feet, miles. And then 119 is the metric system, which is very similar, just different units of conversion. You've already done this with using two multipliers, unit multipliers. Now you're going to be using, more than two, sometimes 6, 9, anything like that. So the question is 6 unit multipliers to convert 1,000 inches, 1 million inches into miles. So in essence, we are having to convert a smaller unit into a bigger one, converting inches down to miles. So to do that once, we would just take 1 foot over 12. We'd multiply that by 12. But that's just for one side. If you have a cube, you have depth, you have width, and you have height. And so you have to change this inches, and this inches. That's why we're going to be doing it by 3 times to convert the inches into feet. Once we've done it into the cubic feet, we have to do it by cubic inches or cubic miles. So we change the feet into miles by doing the same thing. If you're converting a smaller unit to a bigger one, so in this case inches to miles, you are going to put the bigger unit on top. If you are converting, if we were converting miles here to inches, we would put the bigger unit on the bottom. We would actually list it as 12 to 1, 12 to 1, so on and so forth. So that's how you set it up. Another way to set it up is to just say, to do the 3 sides, to convert it from inches to feet, I would multiply it by 12 3 times. Convert it from feet to miles, I'd multiply it by that, and then we're just dividing the top number by whatever that is. And they are okay with you doing it in scientific notation because this one will get you a decimal. It's like 0.0000, it's like 8 zeros and then 9 something. So it's okay to put it in scientific notation rather than list it. It doesn't matter how you want to do it. But just keep in mind, if you want to do the long form, set it up like this so you can just multiply straight across and you're going to end up with, in essence, this, although you are actually multiplying that out. And that's all you have to do to convert them.